Even though we've plumbed over 12,000 new homes since 1986, as owner, my first love is service, repair, and remodeling. It takes a special type of craftsman to work in front of the customer and to leave a happy, satisfied client after a job is well done and left clean. Or to find an innovative solution to a problem to make life easier or more comfortable for someone. We strive for integrity and people skills, as well as good technical prowess to solve problems. And we offer a dramatic showroom experience for those who want to see and feel the latest in technology, not only from the US, but from all over the globe. Working shower heads, Whirlpool tubs, steam generators, and finger-touch operated faucets are just some of the things visitors can see.
We love to create comfort, elegance, and convenience for you, our customer. We try to step back and see how we would like things to be done if we were the customer.